On the busiest days of summer, hundreds of cyclists and pedestrians utilize the Colchester Causeway every day. It's one of the state's most valuable tourist attractions, which is the reason why state officials have decided to speed up repairs. Every year, people near and far come to Vermont just to enjoy the serene, peaceful views on this path that crosses Lake Champlain.
So we thought we'd come check out the causeway. Beautiful scenery.
It's busiest time of the year right now when it's warm outside. But today the causeway is closed thanks to damage from last month's powerful windstorm.
We just noticed what was going on.
Lucky for them and others, the news of the damage to the Colchester Causeway and what needs to be fixed has made its way to the state's top officials.
Vermont, VTrans, Governor Scott and our local legislators saw this as a priority and they stepped up to expedite the process.
Instead of being closed for the rest of the season, repairs to the causeway are now set to be completed by early next month.
The opportunity to get that up and running this summer, it's just a bonus for us regionally and the visitors that are coming to our area.
That also means the local Motion Bike Ferry will be back open for business this season. They were happy to post about that to their Facebook page earlier today. Repairs are expected to cost $500,000, and the state is still waiting to see if it qualifies for federal repair money. For now, cyclists are thankful local officials see how important this path is.
The fact that they're taking the opportunity to spend the resources, pick up a great local bike riding spot, that's great.
So this outdoor Vermont treasure can be utilized and enjoyed in the months to come. Following Tropical Storm Irene in 2011, repairs to the causeway took 2 full seasons to complete. Town officials tell me they've learned from that experience and want to ensure the wait isn't as long this time around. Reporting from the live desk tonight, Helena Battipaglia, NBC5 News.